Okay, we are at the GAWDA SMC in the Trendex booth. We've got Debbie, we've got Sumitra, and we've got Ethan. We've got some big news, Sumitra, if you want to share it with our membership.
Absolutely. Trendex has been sold to a company called Valsoft, and Valsoft is a company that purchases vertical market software companies. They currently own over 100 software companies, and they will take over Trendex, take it to the next level, and they will run it as Trendex and the way Trendex has been run in the past.
Absolutely. So you and I got the opportunity to speak last night. One of the things that you were really passionate about was that it was a fellow Canadian company who could really interact with your customers. So for Trendex's customers, what are they going to see?
They're going to see the same people. Our employees are all there. We are there for a certain period of time. Anna and myself will bring on more staff, more support, more backing. So actually they'll have more people behind the company and a big, larger team to work with.
And Debbie, from a data wealth perspective, what did this opportunity mean?
It's been great. It's been great. We were acquired in September, and it's gone way better than I thought it would. We see a lot more resources where we can grow the company. DataWeld had 40 years of experience. Trendex has 40 years. So together we have over 80 years. So this has been great. It's been great.
Absolutely. And can you talk about Trendex and DataWeld and what make them such attractive targets for Valsoft?
Yeah, so the whole premise of Valsoft is acquiring vertical market softwares, and what that means is sticky softwares, right? Software you cannot operate your business without. You cannot create a living for yourself without using this software. And DataWeld and now Trendex obviously are leaders in this market, and they bring that stickiness factor to like the nth level. So that's really what makes them an attractive target.
Absolutely. Well, all three of you, congratulations. Sumitra specifically, you and I have been friends for a long time, and we'll miss you at the show, but congratulations, my friend. Debbie, congratulations. Ethan, you got two good ones.
Yeah, very good ones.
All right, thank you guys.